You've probably heard this before. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. But is it true? As a doctor, here's the truth. Cracking your knuckles may annoy people, but it does not cause arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in your joint fluid, not from bones rubbing. Check this out. People who crack their knuckles don't get arthritis any more than those who don't. Though if you do it too much, it might cause swelling or reduce grip strength. It's just a harmless pop, nothing to worry about for your joints. So the next time someone warns you, you'll know the science. It's simply a harmless habit, no damage, no pain. Follow for more. Doctor Explains Myths Busted.